Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with MySQL Workbench secure connection settings easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open MySQL Workbench on your computer. Select the option to create a new connection. In the Setup New Connection window, enter a name for your connection. Choose the connection method as standard TCP/IP. Enter the host name or IP address of your MySQL server. Input the port number, typically 3306, unless configured otherwise. In the username field, type your MySQL username. Now, click on the SSL tab to configure secure connection settings. Check the box labeled Use SSL. Select the option for Require or Verify CA, depending on your security needs. For SSL CA file, navigate to the location of your certificate authority file on your computer. If applicable, specify the SSL cert file location as well. Additionally, you may provide the SSL key file location if required. Click Test Connection to verify the settings. If successful, a confirmation message will appear. Click OK to save your connection settings. You can now access your MySQL database using secure connection settings. Open the connection by double-clicking on it in the main window. Ensure you see a successful connection message indicating your secure setup is working. You are now ready to work with your MySQL database securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.